Let us start with calcarea carb guiding symptoms. Yes, before that I would like to tell you calcarea carb will be asked as full drug picture 15 marks, calcarea carb female 5 marks, calcarea carb baby 5 marks. So you have to prepare 3 questions from this drug. I am repeating calcarea carb full drug 15 marks, calcarea carb baby 5 marks or calcarea carb female 5 marks. Now the guiding symptoms about this drug. There are so many guiding symptoms. I'm trying to cover the maximum that I can, and please excuse me if I am not able to tell you everything. Okay, the first symptom is fair, fat and flabby. I'm repeating, fair, fat and flabby. They are the constitutions who grow very fast. Children who grow very fast lie into calcarea carb drug. These people are more in quantity બટ લેસ ઇન ક્વોલિટી. એ લોકોનું વજન બહુ વધારે હોય પણ શરીરમાં તાકાત નહીં હોય. ફટ 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 ઉગી જાય, મોટા થઈ જાય, પણ જાડા તગડા ગોળ મટોળ હોય પણ એને 2 કિલોમીટર ચાલવા કહો એટલે પરસેવે રેપ જેપ થઈ જાય. ધીસ ઇઝ કેલ્કેરિયા કાર્બ. They are pot-bellied and having abdomen as if an inverted saucer is put. I am repeating, they are pot-bellied children. They are pot-bellied persons having inverted saucer like abdomen. Second, they have tendency to catch cold easily. These patients basically are thermally chilly and they have tendency to catch cold very easily. કંઈ બી ઠંડુ ખાઈ પીએ, ઠંડુ વાતાવરણ થાય તો તરત જ એ લોકોને શરદી થઈ જાય, એ લોકો બીમાર પડી જાય. ઘણી વખત ઘણી બધી મમ્મીઓ કે અમે તો ફ્રીજમાં બોટલ મૂકતા જ નથી ને, મારો છોકરો ઠંડુ પાણી પીએ એટલે બીમાર પડે. કોઈ દિવસ મેં એને બરફ ગોળો ખવડાવ્યો નથી, આઈસ્ક્રીમ ખવડાવ્યું નથી. વોટ ઇઝ ધીસ? ટેન્ડન્સી ટુ કેચ કોલ્ડ ઇઝીલી. નેક્સ્ટ સિમ્પટમ, perspiration of single parts. All calcareas have perspiration of single parts. Perspiration at the back of the neck is a very leading guiding symptom. These people perspire also more and they have profuse perspiration. Okay. The patient has, especially the child, the mother comes and tells કે સૂઈ જાય ને તો એનું ગરદનને પાછળનો ભાગ પર બહુ પરસેવો થાય, એના માથામાં બહુ પરસેવો થાય. Perspiration of single parts, perspiration wets the pillow while sleeping is a very important symptom about calcarea carb. All discharges of calcarea are sour. Sour ખાટી ખાટી વાસ આવે. Sour discharges, sour belching, sour stool, sour perspiration, sour breath. Everything is sour. All calcareas have sour discharges. Okay, so this becomes again calcarea. Fifth, next symptom, constipated. All calcarea patients are constipated. That is, patient does not have an urge to pass stool. Patient does not pass stool for days together. There is no desire to pass stool. This is interpreted as inactivity of rectum. Matlab, all calcareas are basically inactive people, mentally or physically. They are not activity. So, no desire to pass stool, that is constipation, is also interpreted as inactivity of rectum. A further understanding of this is calcareas are happy whenever constipated. Whenever constipated, all calcareas are very happy. So this is another symptom. Now let us go further. After this, yes, all calcareas desire eggs. All calcareas desire eggs. Craving for eggs and undigestible things is a very important leading symptom of this drug. All calcareas have desire for undigestible things like chalk, charcoal, pencil, mud, etc. So, desire for undigestible things. Next symptom, weak bones and open sutures and fontanelles and a drug for delayed milestones. Calcarea as such is a drug for delayed milestones. All the bones of the body are weak. The skull, The anterior fontanelle, it remains open for a longer time. Normally, anterior fontanelle closes by first year. This is a normal milestone, but it remains open in a calcarea patient. The sutures are not completely locked. The long bones of the body are curved. The long bones of the body are curved. There is no strength in the bone. The child is late in learning to walk. The child is late in learning to talk. The child is late in establishing the dentition. ઘણીવાર પેશન્ટ આવે, मैडम 1.25 વર્ષનો થયો, 2 દાંત ફૂટ્યા છે. इमीजिएटली तुम्हारे दिमाग में आना चाहिए कि इसके लिए तुमको नॉर्मल माइलस्टोन्स पता होने चाहिए. But a child with weak bones, a child with delayed milestones, you have to think about calcarea car. Calcarea car baby are normally having long bones which are curved. जैसे उसको बोलते हैं बो लेग्ड, बो જેવું. બો અને એરો આવે ને તેમાં બો કેવું આવે? C shape હોય. So it is a drug for curved bones. The spine bone is also curved. નાનું બાળક હોય પણ ખૂંધું બેઠવું હોય, બરાબર? They don't sit erect, but they are sitting curved. So this becomes again a drug for delayed milestones. It is a drug for rachitic children. You understand? You will get the word rachitic, rickets, rachitic children. It is a drug for scrofulous diathesis and rachitic children. So the main sphere of action is the bones, bones, bones. The milestones and the milestones and the milestones. We go further. Calcarea has a tendency to deep-seated abscesses in muscles and polyps and exostosis. I'm repeating. It has tendency to deep-seated abscesses in muscles with polyp and exostosis. કેલ્કેરિયાની અંદર એબ્સેસ થાય, પણ ક્યાં થાય? બહુ ડીપ મસલ્સમાં અંદર 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 પાકી જાય. બીજું, એને નેઝલ પોલિપ્સ બહુ થાય, બરાબર? અને બોની એક્ઝોસ્ટોસિસ એટલે બોન્સનું ઓવરગ્રોથ થાય. નાની નાની જગ્યાએ મારી હાડકી વધે છે, બરાબર? અગેન પેશન્ટ્સ કમ એન્ડ ટેલ યુ, હાડકી વધે છે, નાકમાં મસા થાય છે, એકવાર કપાવ્યા ને પછી પાછા થયા. તો these are nasal polyps, bony exostosis. These are the typical calcarea constitutions. Again, the predominant action of calcarea is on the pituitary and thyroid glands and causing their dysfunctions. કોઈ બી પેશન્ટ્સમાં conditions which is predominantly pituitary dysfunction or thyroid dysfunction, this is calcarea patient, leading to all type of other problems. But basically the cause you suspect is at the pituitary level or at the thyroid level. When I told you about the group symptoms of calcarea, I had mentioned hypothyroidism. So calcarea car becomes one of the predominant drug for hypothyroidism. As I had told you previously also, further, craving for undigestible things, chalk, coal, pencils, eggs, salt and sweet. નાના છોકરા જ્યારે માટી ખાતા હોય, બરાબર? નાના છોકરા કુંડામાંથી માટી ખાઈ જાય, બરાબર? પેન્સિલ આખી નાખી ચાવી જાય. તો you have to think about calcarea carb, craving for undigestible things. Next symptom, milk disagrees. I'm repeating, milk disagrees. Okay? Patients take cold very easily and patients fall sick at the change of weather. Aggravation, change of weather is a typical symptom of calcarea carb. Aggravation, taking cold, aggravation, change of weather. These two are the two leading symptoms of calcarea carb, especially respiratory problems which are precipitated on change of weather. Respiratory problems immediately after taking cold, you have to think about calcarea carb. And yes, last and not the least, again very important symptom, it is a female symptom where menses returns on least excitement. I'm repeating, menses returns on least excitement. These females are having menstrual cycle very early. Look, I told you it is a drug for delayed milestones, yes. But the menstrual cycle, the puberty comes very fast. The first menses, menarche comes very fast. But gradually then it is delayed. फर्स्ट आ जाता है पीरियड, उसके बाद के जो ग्रेजुअल पीरियड्स है वो डिलेड लेट होते हैं. तो दिस बिकम्स द मेंस्ट्रुअल complaint. Menses returns on least excitement in a calcarea carp female. If you see that female who is fair, fat and flabby, pot bellied and dash whatever I told you, and if the menstrual history is suggestive that it returns on least mental excitement, you have to think about calcarea carp. So these are the mental symptoms, these are the guiding symptoms. Next lecture will be followed by the mental symptoms, the female and the baby of calcarea. ठीक है, I hope you have understood. If you have any queries, you can contact me.